Oh no! The rabbit is starving! Wait! No! Wait, what do you need to eat? Wait, fruit! Oh no! Oh no, 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 no! Oh no, we have to move the rabbit. 2,000? Why is this not suitable biome for this tree? What does the tree need? Oh no! Oh no! The rabbit is starving! Oh no, I thought the rabbit could just eat grass or something. This is a disaster. This is a disaster. This is a disaster. Can they eat flowers? Can you eat these? Oh no. No! The rabbit really died! Oh no! Oh my gosh! It actually just went poof right in front of my eyes! Oh no! This is horrible! Oh no! Oh no! I've spent so long to get that rabbit, and I didn't even make sure that the rabbit had food to eat, and it starved! Oh no. Oh no. I'm a good mama. I don't know. I let that rabbit die. I let that rabbit die. I didn't even know what to feed it. It just vanished.